What is up, guys? It is Fangs here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a cool profile picture for any social media that you have. And so the two apps you'll need are Pixar and Fonto. And so the first thing you want to do is go into your Safari or Google and look up the skin you want or the background you want. So what we're going to do here is look up links. So because I'm going to do a links template. So let's just look up a links Fortnite PNG. Make sure it's a PNG. So I'm going to do this black links. And you're going to want to save it by pressing down on the image. And when you're done with that, you would want to go back into the search bar and look up whatever background that you think matches the character. So I'm going to look up cool black background or cool dark gray background, actually. Okay, got to find the one that you like. So I like this one. So we're going to save it. And oh, it's not letting me save. Okay, there we go. And you would want to look up white ring PNG. Or white circle PNG, actually, because it'll come up with a bunch of rings. And so you want to find this one. And it doesn't work. It doesn't work sometimes. So sometimes you got to download it multiple times. But I already have it installed. So you would want to go into Pixar and let it load. Press the plus button and select your background that you downloaded, and scroll to the right until you see add photo. And after you add the photo, you want to find the right white circle. It might show up as a white image because it's transparent. And see, sometimes it doesn't work like this. So all you want to do is press cancel, go back into the add photo, and I already have one that works. So I'm going to click it, and it should look like this. Enlarge it to whatever size you want. And when you're done with that, press done. Go into your photos and find the image you downloaded. So here's my links. Enlarge it to the perfect size that you want. I like it not too big, not too small. Yeah, that's what she said. So yeah, we're gonna place it about there. Yeah, that looks good. You'd want to press save or continue or whatever there is. Press download or save, which is the bottom button. Now you'd want to go into your Fonto, press the grid, go to Photo Albums, and go to your photos, and go to the image you just made, and press done. And you'd want to press the image and type in the name you want. So I'm just going to put name. And here's the font I'm using, Nor'Wester, so you want to find that. And so once you got that, put it there or wherever you want it. I like it there. Go to stroke, put it as white, and put it to about 4, 5, 6, or 7, something there, so it's not too big. And go back to text and go to color pattern. Always start out with a dark gray or black, and you want to find the colors that match. And go to at the top where it should show something like this when you press it, and press vertical. And if it doesn't look good, just rearrange the colors by dragging them. Keep the black where it is. And there you go, that looks good. So press done. And you can curve it, pretty much, by swiping left and pressing curve. And when you're done curving it, so that looks good to me. Actually, that looks about good. So actually, I'm going to put it as links because it's a links. So just let me type it in real quick. Okay. And then when you're done with that, press a little box with an arrow and press a little box with an arrow pointing down, and then that's your image. So you can just go put it on anything. It shouldn't be copyright or anything. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.